Welcome back to the Electric Rager channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more great news in the world of electric vehicles. Today, we have some big news from the automotive world. General Motors has just announced a significant delay in the production of all-electric trucks at their Orion assembly plant in suburban Detroit. Let's dive into the details. This news comes right after Ford announced that they are laying off 700 employees at their Rouge plant where they make the F-150 Lightning. General Motors originally had plans to start production of their next-generation electric vehicles at the Orion assembly plant next year. However, they've pushed this date back to late 2025, and there are several reasons behind this decision. According to GM, they are delaying the production to better manage capital investments and to implement various improvements aimed at making their new EVs more profitable. This adjustment is part of a broader strategy to adapt to the evolving demand for electric vehicles. The Orion assembly plant is currently responsible for producing Chevrolet Bolt EV models, but GM is planning to cease their production by the end of this year. This transition from traditional internal combustion engine vehicles to all-electric trucks is a significant shift in the automotive industry. The delay is not isolated to GM, it is reflective of the challenges many traditional automakers are facing in transitioning to electric vehicles. While the demand for EVs is steadily growing, the cost of production and purchase remains a hurdle, making profitability a significant concern for these companies. In a statement, General Motors today confirmed it will retime the conversion of its Orion assembly plant to EV truck production to late 2025, to better manage capital investment while aligning with evolving EV demand. In addition, we have identified engineering improvements that we will implement to increase the profitability of our products. GM clarified that this change in plans is not directly linked to their ongoing contract negotiations with the United Auto Workers Union. However, the negotiations do involve electric vehicles, and current contract proposals by GM are expected to be more expensive than in previous years. This production delay also casts doubt on GM's previously announced EV goals, including their plan to produce 400,000 EVs in North America from 2022 through mid-2024, which had already been postponed. GM also aims to exclusively offer consumer electric vehicles by 2035. Interestingly, GM has shifted the production of electric versions of the Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra, originally intended for Orion assembly, to GM's Factory Zero in Detroit. The Silverado EV is already in limited production, and the Sierra is scheduled to begin next year. Factory Zero is currently responsible for building the GMC Hummer EV pickup and SUV and the Cruise Origin shuttle. To put this into perspective, in January 2022, GM announced a substantial $4 billion investment to convert the Orion assembly plant into an electric truck production facility. This plant was expected to become their second U.S. assembly plant dedicated exclusively to EVs. So, there you have it. General Motors' decision to delay production at Orion assembly reflects the complex challenges facing the automotive industry's shift towards electric vehicles. We'll keep a close eye on how GM manages this transition and how it impacts the broader EV landscape. If you found this update informative, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more industry news, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.